yesterday after the studio, I came back, did some laundry, and then we were just finishing packing stuff, and finally went to bed around 1:30, and originally we were gonna wake up at 5. We decided to wake up at 6, so we slept a little bit more. But luckily we did a lot last night, so this morning wasn't too crazy. Yeah, so we're on the road.
And Everest is excited. What are we gonna see in San Francisco, Everest? What are we gonna see?
All the books.
Oh, sorry, we're interrupting his books session.
For the trip, I got him 2 dinosaur books because he's really into dinosaurs. And he's reading one, Dinosaurs Learning to Count. It's a really cute book if you have any dinosaur lovers out there. Yeah, but first we need to stop by San Jose, so we're going to be on our way there. Probably arrive around lunchtime and then head over to San Fran. Apparently it's already raining down there and it's way colder. Ooh, look, what's that again?
Magic Mountain.
Magic Mountain. That's where all the scary rides are at. Okay, so it's just gonna be us driving over here, so see you in somewhere? Are we gonna drive 5 hours straight? No.
Really, we don't have enough gas.
We don't have enough gas, so we'll see you somewhere. We're here. Gonna go pick up my order.
Is where you get your cards?
Yep.
Nice.
Okay, I've never been here before. Home of Stationery HQ. That's where I get my cards printed. I'm gonna go pick it up right now. Let's see. Got my order. That was quick. That was so quick. I just walked in and she gave me the box, so can't wait. We were looking for a place to eat in San Jose, and I've never been here, so I didn't know where. We didn't do any research. But I just blurted out, hey, I want to go, let's go to Palo Alto and check out, excuse me, I'm talking right now. Let's go to Palo Alto and check out the Apple headquarters and Google headquarters, because I love those kind of like techie places. And then Sunny looked up, like there's a cafe there.
Cafe Mac. Well, actually, we're gonna go to the spaceship.
There's a visitor center.
The big circle. Apple's news. What's wrong?
Okay, so our son is very tired, but we gave him a gummy bear and a jelly bean. Not me, actually.
You know, you do what you gotta do.
And now he's wide awake and he's very fussy. What I wanted to tell you is we just, like, last minute idea to go check this place out.
That's the best kind of trip, is just like following, you know, just kind of going with the flow.
Yeah.
Kind of explore and see what's out there. We're going with the flow.
We are huge Apple lovers. We are huge Apple lovers, and here's a fun fact. This guy used to work at the Apple store.
What?
And he was a manager.
Yeah, I started out as a specialist and I worked my way up to assistant store manager. But I was at Apple for 7 years, and I still love Apple.
You even opened up Apple stores.
Yeah, I opened up the first store in Pasadena, California, and yeah, it was really fun. I love Apple still.
And that's actually how we met. We met at the Apple store. So.
What? Fun fact.
Fun fact.
And now we have this guy who's crying.
We have spotted an Apple logo.
It's our first clue.
We're close. Whoa. We're close by.
There's the Apple Park right there.
This is what I really want to see.
Yes.
I want to go in there.
I see a butterfly.
Yeah. Our son wants to see butterflies.
Just wants to see butterflies.
Another Apple's logo. Another.
Closer.
Tantau Steven. No, it's probably said 7.
You're just saying Steven because like Steve Jobs.
Yeah.
It's Steven Jobs.
Main Street, Cupertino. Ah, everyone's so cool here.
Half a mile. The destination is on your left. Cafe Max, Tanton 9.
How do I get there?
Left. Another Apple logo.
And another one.
What?
These are all Apple buildings, I guess.
That's so cool.
But Apple. That guy, he works in engineering. Oh,
Totally.
Greg. People just riding their bikes. There's Kurt.
Parking.
Mallory. There it is.
Right
There's
or
the
left?
Top. See the top of it?
Wow! That's
Spaceship.
the top of the spaceship.
I saw it from an airplane once flying in here, and it was really impressive. It looked really cool. That guy over there, he makes the Face ID software. That guy, those two guys.
No way.
Yeah.
They look like tourists.
Hey, look at this.
Is this the coffee shop?
I don't know. This is what it said.
Looks cooler on the website.
Huh.
No trespassing.
Uh-oh.
Takashi.
Well, there we go.
Oh, that was it. Is that the coffee shop?
No, but is it only for Apple people?
What?
We don't know. We don't know.
We don't know
Facts.
anything.
We're just tourists.
Okay, the photo of the cafe, that little thing, looked way cooler.
Well, that
if
could be
that's
the-
it,
that
then
could
it's
be the
gotta
one
be on
closer.
the other side of that. So stay straight.
Let's go look around.
Because it said it was across the street from it. And it's for tourists.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
We'll find it. Find it.
We're gonna find this place. This is it.
There we go. Now where's it like?
No, that's it.
No, okay, that's it. Where do visitors park? That's what I want to know.
We found it. It says visitor center.
Oh yes. This is cool.
I also heard that they have some things that they only sell at this Apple store. So I'm gonna see what it is. I wonder if it's cool or not.
Hello.
Good.
We opened in mid-November.
Oh really? Okay, so still
Oh.
First time here.
Campus. Okay, so this isn't really a roof.
You can go in here.
So it's raining. But look how cool, right across the street. That's where everybody works.
And there she is. The campus herself.
On the bed, we checked into our hotel, and there's a little bit of a hip-hop
Snafu.
This hotel room doesn't have a bathtub, so we asked if we could change it to a bathtub 1 room, which would mean that it's 2 double size beds.
Yeah.
And we're like, okay, let's go check it out. So we got our rooms changed, went to go check it out. It was so dark and gloomy. We paid extra couple dollars to get this room because you can't see it now, but you can kind of see a little bit of the city back there. And it's just way brighter and nicer. So we actually asked them to see if we could come back to this original room. So here we are. And we're waiting for the guy to come back to give us the keys for this room. And while we're doing that, I think my husband is gonna go take a nap. Everest is watching a movie. And I got more new cards that I picked up in San Jose. So I'm gonna be folding them and packaging them. Oh shoot, I don't have my little poly bags. So maybe not. Maybe my poly bags are still in the car. Yeah, try and figure it out. And then he wants to go out when it's like raining and crazy outside, and we've been traveling all day, but I just want to stay in and grab something like room service.
We got a party. Man, we're in San Francisco. Okay, good night.
I don't think we are. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'll keep you updated and I'll tell you good night when it's time.